Hi guys! Today, we're going to learn how to remove the background of any image in Canva. First, unlock your phone and open the Canva app. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your projects and premium features. Once Canva opens, tap your designs at the bottom left. This shows all your recent projects, so you can either select an existing one or start a new project. If you want a new project, tap the plus icon at the top right to choose a photo from your gallery. Otherwise, just select one of your recent projects to edit. Once the project is open, tap on the background image you want to remove. If your design has multiple images, make sure you select the one acting as the background. After tapping the image, look at the bottom of the screen for Background Remover and tap it. Canva will automatically remove the background for you. Keep in mind, this feature is available for Canva Premium users. And that's it. Now your background-free image is ready to use in any design. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more Canva tips.